Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to head out for the day. It's Thursday, but I wanted to tell you what you're going to be working on for tomorrow when you come in. If you're in my second or third period math intervention class, you're going to be taking a quiz. There are 6 questions on this quiz, and there is space for you to leave your work and each side here and here. So whenever you're doing this, please be sure to show your work because you cannot use a calculator. Except for Linda, you can use a calculator. Most of you cannot use calculators, nor can use your Chromebooks. It is a quiz. It is multiple choice, but again, if I just see circles on there and no work shown or no justification of how you got that answer, you're not gonna get full credit, okay? This is like we've been working on for the majority of the week, so this should not be unfamiliar to you guys, okay? So second and third period, you're taking the quiz. Fifth period, you guys have actually got 2 quizzes. We're doing the vocab quiz from vocabulary 22 and the quiz from vocabulary 23. It's been a minute since we've done the work on vocab 22. So with that one, like I said the other day, you guys can actually use your notes on this. So grab your composition books from over off the shelf. You guys can use those composition books whenever you're answering your questions on vocabulary 22. Vocabulary 23 is a different story. You are gonna get about 10 minutes if you wanna look over your notes. And then when that's done with, put your composition books away. Miss Yates will collect those from you, and then she will pass off the vocabulary 23 quiz, all right? If you're in my 7th and 8th period class, when you guys get in, you're gonna do your 30 minutes of reading like we always do at the start of the class. And then the second half of the class, what we're gonna do is I'll hand out a, Miss Yates, I've got a copy of the story that we read on Wednesday. There are 8 questions they're gonna answer. They've already got 4 of them answered. They're gonna work independently on those and answer the final 4 questions. And then I've got the answer key attached as well to a page for you to look at as well when they go to check their grades. You guys can swap papers for my 7th and 8th period class if you wanna look over those and see how you guys did. I did look at the threshold score of what you need to answer correctly, which means you need, of the 8 that we answered, if you answer 3 or 4 of them, I'm gonna say 4. If you answer 4 of them correctly, you would essentially pass the STAR coming up in 10 days, okay? If there's any behavior, Miss Yates, that you run into from any of these guys, just put their name on a note back to me at the end of the day, and I'll deal with it when I get back on Monday. You guys be good. Have a good weekend. Happy Easter. We'll talk to you soon. Later.